And that video was from the Absolute Green Club. Now, if you are looking for a greener way for guest room amenities, my next guest and the last of our exhibitor series is going to join me on stage in a minute and tell you how you can change what you're doing in your hotel to ensure that you have guest room and guest facilities, guest amenities, excuse me, that are greener and look after our planet better. So from Floral Manufacturing Group, I would like to welcome to the stage Kun Pham to tell us a little bit more about what guest room amenities are. Thank you.
Thank you, Kun George. And good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being the last visit. I am from Floral Manufacturing Group. You may know our nickname, Floral Hotel Supply. We have established in this business since 1982, so you can trust about our business. For the greener way in the hotel amenity, if you're looking for some product can make your hotel to be more sustainability, so you may consider new packaging start from a little item in the guest room. For example, like shaving or a toothbrush. This one we can make from the bamboo and packaging from the craft paper. The packaging is came from the sustainability resource from the sustainable forest. Or and for the if you're looking for wet amenity, like for the refill for the shower gel, shampoo, we can do with the customization with the bio-based, organic, and with the eco-cert certifications. Uh, our product can be used in the sea. You can make sure that this formula can be safe for the coral in the sea and marine set. And if you need something else, we can do like a customized product for the packaging also. You should start from the little thing in the hotel and make the difference to this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kun Pham from Floral Manufacturing Group. They provide greener solution for guest room amenities.